There's no question gold is having its moment. You can't turn on the radio or TV without hearing ads to buy gold. You can even buy gold at Costco and demand has been surging. At the end of the day, gold is a safe haven asset. With all the craziness going on around the world, from the wars in Ukraine and the Middle East to all the money printing by the central banks, it feels like a good time to have some safe assets. That's what many are thinking, including some central banks. Gold is sitting at just over $2,400 right now. It's up nearly 15% year to date. That's a huge rally for gold, which usually doesn't have drastic moves. There's been a lot of demand from central banks and individual investors. One of the biggest buyers of gold comes from India and China. Typically, the higher interest rates are, the less appeal there is for gold, as gold does not earn interest, but that hasn't played out recently. The stock market right now is hovering at all-time high, and for many, things just feel funny. Stock valuations are in frothy territory, and many just want to have something that gives them peace of mind. Here are some reasons why gold can continue to go up. As this week's inflation reading showed, inflation is not in our rearview mirror. Inflation is still present and can persist a lot longer than many policymakers had hoped. Also, many investors are bracing for the fact that the Fed can't turn the money printers back on if we hit turbulence in the economy. That's another big reason why gold prices continue to go up. Add to this all the geopolitical uneasiness around the world, and you have the perfect bull market for gold. The one thing we haven't seen boom are gold mining stocks. Gold mining stocks have yet to have their day, but that can change quickly. Once gold mining stocks get hot, they can have crypto-like returns. And don't forget about silver. Silver is always overshadowed by gold, but silver can often have a much better return than gold. So is it a good time to buy gold? Well, it's always a good time to get diversified. The best thing you could do is buy a bit of gold and silver each week just in case. Sometimes it's silly to follow the crowd, but in this case, I think it's smart to jump on the bandwagon and make sure you have a small percentage of your assets in gold and silver. The one thing for sure is that central banks will continue printing money and the world will continue to see more conflicts. Add to this a very frothy stock market, and that makes the perfect recipe for a bull market in gold. If you liked my video, please push the like button, and I wish you a great day. Thank you.